Hello, good morning. My name is Jane. Today, I'm going to talk you about to be that used to in present tense. What are they? Here they are. To be in present tense have am, is, and are. The verb be can be used as an auxiliary and full verb. The first one is am. Am always followed by I. The word am is used with the pronoun I. Example like I am a student. I am happy. The second, the word is. The word is used with all the singular object. Is followed by he, she, or it. Example, he is student. She is beautiful. It is an apple. Next, the third is are, the word are. The word are used with all the plural object. Are followed by we, you, and they. Example, we are student. You are my best friend. They are happy. Okay, review. To be in present tense have three words, am, is, and are. Am always followed by I. Is followed by he, she, and it. Are followed by we, you, and they. Before we finish this meeting, I want you to do this exercise. Verb to be used am, are, and is. And don't forget submit on next meeting. That's all for today. Thank you.